The Baby Swing Power Cord by YEAOI offers seamless charging for Ingenuity InLighten, simple comfort, and swing-and-go swings. This 2-in-1 cable features both USB-A and DC plugs, delivering 5 volts at 2A to keep your swing powered without interruption. Its 6-foot length gives you the freedom to charge from a distance, while the blue indicator light confirms active charging. Compatible with multiple models, including InLighten 5-speed, Swing & Go Deluxe, and Simple Comfort Lightweight Compact. This reliable power adapter supports 100 to 240 volts input and fits North American Type A outlets. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use charger for your baby swing, this cable is worth a look.